enter. The door is open. John, so good to see you. What brings you here today?
Really? Did you have Mr. Lincoln sign that abolition call that's in the morning paper?
Mr. Lincoln did not sign it.
Mr. Lincoln authorize you to sign it?
No, Mr. Lincoln did not authorize me to sign it.
You do know you have ruined Mr. Lincoln.
I did not realize that I'd ruined Mr. Lincoln, sir. It was not my intention to do so. Thought that he was a made man by it, and that the time had come that conservatism was but a crime and a blunder.
You then take full responsibility of your acts, do you?
I do most emphatically, sir. Mr. Lincoln will be attending the Republican convention in Illinois in May. I will write him and get his authority. Now, is there anything else I can do for you today? I have so much work to do.
No, sir. I bid you a good bed.
Good day, sir. And John,
Yes.
you forgot your paper.